Class 8 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our topic is construction of quadrilateral of exercise 11.4. Let us start 11.4 exercise. So question example 7 is here. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3.6 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 centimeter, CD is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle B is equal to 60 degree and the angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So let us start how we can do the construction of this. First of all, we can draw the line BC 4 centimeters. So you can draw with the help of a scale. This is the 4 centimeter. Now remove your scale and write the BC, B and C. Now draw angle B 60 degree and angle C 90 degree at the ends of the B and the C. So let us see, it's your protractor. Now make an angle of 60 degree. How can make? It is the 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and that one is the 60. So you can put here 1 marks and remove this and draw a line segment that is the from B. So you can draw like this. Yes. Now come to the C point and make an angle which one, and that is the 90 degrees. So you can see here it is the 90 degrees. So you can put here a point. This one is your 90 degree. Now remove the protractor and now draw a line. How can draw? You can draw with the help of a scale. I will draw like this. Yes, this one is your 90. Now write the angle. This angle is 60 degrees, so you can write here 60 degree, and this angle is 90 degrees, so you have to write 90 degree. Now take a distance of this one is AB, that is the 3.6 centimeter in your scale with the help of compass. Take a distance 3.6 in a compass or roundel and take at B, and now draw an arc like this one, and remove this one, and now take a distance which one, and that one is the, now take a distance 4.5 centimeter and make an arc from the C like this. Yes, like this you can. Now remove your compass and now made them join this. This point is A and this point is D, and that distance is, it is 4.5 centimeter. This distance is, that is the 4 centimeter, and this distance will be 3.6 centimeter. Now join to this C, A and D like this. So your ABCD is required quadrilaterals. So remove your scale and let us start the write your steps of construction. Now write the steps of construction. So first of all, draw BC is equal to 4 centimeter. This one BC. Now second, make an angle of 60 degree at B. Third, make an angle of 90 degree at B by protractor. Now fourth point, draw an arc 3.6 centimeter from B, which intersect at A. Number 6, once again draw an arc 4.5 centimeter from C, which intersect at D. Join AD. So quadrilateral ABCD is a required quadrilateral. So that is the steps of construction. Let us start the exercise number 11.4 and the question number 1. So here is the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given as 4.5 centimeter, BC is given as 3.5 centimeter, AD is 5 centimeter, and angle A is 60 degree and angle B is 110 degree. Now measure the CD. It is the most important thing. Measure the CD. Let us start how can construct this one. Let us draw AB, that is the 4.5 centimeter. With the help of scale, it is the 4.5 centimeter. You can see here it is the 4.5 centimeters. Now remove your scale and write the name. And it is A and that is the B. And the distance is 4.5 centimeters. So you have to write 4.5 centimeters. Now draw an angle of 60 degree at A. How can draw? With the help of protractor. So this one is your protractor. Now put the mark at 60 degree. That one is the 60 degree. So you can put here and now remove this protractor and draw a line which passes through that point. So you can draw this type, and now their distance that is the AD is 5 centimeter, and once again make an angle is 110 degree at B. So 110 degree at B. So let us see how can form the 110 degree. So this one is the vector and it is the 90, 90, 100 and 110. So distance is 110. You can see here it is 100 and it is 110. So you can put here mark and draw this one line. This is the mark, and now remove this and draw a line with the help of scale. So that one is you can draw like this. Okay. Now what will be happen? It's a wrong side. I think the angle is on wrong side or right side. So that one is not a correct side. The angle is not a correct side. So first you draw angle the tens, and that angle is the here. It is 90 and 100 and 110 is here. So you can draw here. This one is the angle. Now remove this one and take a distance. Now draw this line, join to this line. Yes, like this. And write the angle. It is your 60 degree. And this one is your how much? It is 110 degree. That is 110. Now make an arc from A with the that one is how much distance, and that is 85 centimeters. So take 5 centimeters in this scale. Take 5 centimeter distance in your compass and take at point A. This is your point A, and now make an arc like this. It is your an arc. And now once again take distance how much? That one is the BC. It is 3.5 centimeter in your scale. Now keep at the point B and make an arc like this. Now remove your rounder and the point. Now write the name of this point. So that is the A, B, and it was your C, and this is your D. Now join the C and D with the help of scale and write all these sides. So you can write with the help of pencil. BC is what? BC is 3.5 centimeter. So you can write 3.5 centimeter. Now what will be this one distance? That is the AD. AD is 5 centimeter. So you have to write 5 centimeter. And all these are completed. Now the question is that which distance you measure? Measure the distance CD, that is the 3.3 centimeter. So you have to write here 3.3 centimeter. So you can write here 3.3 centimeter on removing this scale. So here is 3.3 centimeter it is 3.3 centimeter. So now let us start the steps of construction. Now write the steps of construction. How can write this? The first line. So draw AB is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Second, make an angle 60 degree at A with the help of protractor. Now 3, make an angle of, you can write here, of 110 degree at B. Now third, 4th point, draw an arc 5 centimeter from A. This arc intersect at D. Now 6th one, draw an arc Draw an arc 3.5 centimeter from B. Now 7. This arc intersect at C. Join CD. ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is a required quadrilateral. So that is the steps of construction. Let us start the next one, that is the second question. Construct the quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is given as 3.5 cm, QR is given as 2.5 cm and RS is 4.1 cm and angle Q is 7.75 and angle R is 120 degree. Measure the side PS. So in this, measure the side PS. In the last previous question, the side is side CD. CD is how much? It is 3.3 centimeters. So you can write here CD, length of CD is equal to 3.3 centimeters. So that one is the answer. Now first of all, draw QR 2.5 centimeters. It is the QR and it is the 2.5 centimeters. So let us the 2.5 centimeters. It's a 2.5 centimeter. You can see. Now remove the scale. And what happened in this? Now make an angle of 75 degree at Q. So it is the QR. So you have to write it is QR. It is the 2.5. So you have to write here 2.5 centimeter. Now make an angle that is the 75 degree at Q. So let us start it is the Q point and make an angle of 75 degree. Which one? Here is the 0, 10, 60, 70 and 75 is here. So you can see here this one is the 75. Now remove this and line join to this. You can join with the help of scale. Yes. Now make an angle of 120 degree at this point. So you can make this here. You can make an angle of 120 degree. So how can make that is the 120 degree? You can put here one point here. Now remove your vector and draw the line with the help of the scale. Now you can draw like this. Yes. Now take a distance. Which one? Take this distance 2.5 centimeters and now keep at the point Q and make an arc like this. Take distance 4.1 centimeter in your compass and it is changed. So first of all you can correct this distance. It is 4.1 centimeter. So you can take 4.1 centimeter here and now keep here at R point and now make an arc like this and now remove this one and join this one with the help of scale like this and write the name. It is Q, it is the point is P, so you have to write point P and it is Q R and this point is S and now write the measurement. It is the 4.1 centimeter, so you have to write 4.1 centimeter. And here is PQ is given as 3.5 centimeters, so you have to write 3.5 centimeters. It is 3.5 centimeters, so you can write here 3.5 centimeters. And what is the distance of PS? So you have to write here now measure the distance PS and that is the 3.9 centimeters. So you have to write PS is equal to 3.9 centimeters. It is 3.9 centimeters. So let us start the steps of construction. Now write the steps of construction. So first step, draw QR is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Second, make an angle of 75 degree at Q. So you can make this angle is 75 degree and this angle is 120 degree. So write this one. Third one is make an angle of 120 degree at R with the help of protractor. Now fourth point, draw an arc of length. Which one length is? It is the PQ what? It is 3.5 centimeters. So you have to write 3.5 centimeters of length. Which one? Draw an arc of length of 3.5 centimeter from Q. Number 5th, this arc intersect at P. Now 7th, draw an arc of length 4.1 centimeter from R. This arc intersects at S. Join PS. So quadrilateral ABCD is a required quadrilateral. And the length, the measurement of this one PS is, that is the 3.9 centimeters. So PS is 3.9 centimeters. So that is the answer. Now come to the last question of this exercise. That is the third question. Construct a quadrilateral EFGH in which EF is 3 centimeter, HE is 5 centimeter, FG is 7 centimeter, and angle E is equal to 90 degree and angle H is equal to 126. Measure the side GS. So let us start in these steps of construction. First you first of all, draw a line HE 5 centimeters. So you can write here HE 5 centimeters like this, 5 centimeters. Now remove your scale and here write the HE, H and E. Now make an angle of 120 degree, that is the H, at H 120 degree with the help of protractor. So you can put here 120 degree. So how can 120 degree? So you can see here it is 90, 100, 10, 20. You can put here this one. And now once again that angle E is the 90 degree. So you can put at E also, that make an angle of 90 degrees. So that one is the here. Now remove this one and draw a line from H with the help of a scale like this, and from here you can draw like this. This one is the scale. Yes. Now draw an arc. Which arc? That is the HG. Where is HG? HG not given as, but EF is given as. Take a distance 3 centimeter in your compass. Now keep at E and draw an arc like this. Yes. Now remove the compass and once again keep a distance. Which one? 7 centimeter. You can write here name, that is the EF. So EF is given as 3 centimeter. So you have to write 3 centimeter. And HE, that is the 5 centimeter. Now take a distance 7 centimeters. Take a distance 7 centimeter and make an arc from this point like this. Yes, this one is the arc. Now remove this roundel and draw a line. And the first you write the name. It is EFG. That name is G. Now draw the line with the help of a scale. And that distance is how much? It is 7 centimeters. FG is given as 7 centimeters. Now write all the angles. This angle is 120 degree. And this angle is 90 degree. Now remove the scale and write the steps of construction. Now measure the distance G. Measure the distance that the GH, it is 4 centimeters. So you have to write this one 4 centimeter. And now write. So first number, that is draw EH equal to 5 centimeter. Second, make an angle of 120 degree at H. Now third, make an angle of 90 degree at E. Draw an arc 3 centimeter from E, which intersect at F. Draw an arc of length 7 centimeter from F. Join GF. So quadrilateral EFGH is a required What is that, sir? And in which the side GH is equal to how much? GH is equal to 4 centimeters. So that is the answer you have to write. ये आपकी कंप्लीट हो रही है एक्सरसाइज। इसके बाद आप लोग जो है मेरे चैनल को जो है सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके, ज़्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर इस वीडियो को यहीं